Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So guys, today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club and it's called Madama Chic. And this one is considered a snack size and it's going to be snack size number 12. Okay, and when you look at the box, this is a square, so it's going to be square diamond drills. And it always comes in a very nice and shiny box. On the bottom it says scan me, unlock for 10% off. And in the back it always tells you how it works step by step and what's inside the kit. And it comes in 3 languages. You have English, French, and Spanish. All right, so let's open this baby up. Okay. I believe that this kit is still available. All right, so we have a tool kit and of course the canvas. So let's put the box away. And it comes with 2 stickers. So you have the small sticker, and this you could either put on top or underneath your box or in your logbook. All right, the toolkit is always very exciting, guys, because we never know what's inside. We actually know what's inside, but we don't know what washi tape we're gonna get, or what color pen, or what cover minder we're gonna get. So let's get this. Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh, I couldn't get it open. That was funny. Oh, by the way, and all the squares usually come with tweezers. Okay, these are excellent tweezers. Very, very sharp tweezers. So let's put that aside. Comes with a very, this is like a pink reddish color. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so it comes with resealable bags, and this comes in handy just in case you don't have the containers with you, so you could put the drills in here. All right, so we said it comes with a pen and a comfort grip, which goes in here. Let's see if I can get it in. Ooh, I got it in, guys. I usually rip them. But anyway, this is supposed to help with your fingers, with your hands, especially if you suffer from arthritis. Okay, and then it comes with a heart-shaped container where you have the wax. And the wax comes with a little plastic, so you just have to peel it back, and that's how you get your wax. Okay, so let's put that aside too. And this is the washi tape. It's very pretty. It has leaves, like fall leaves. And look at how beautiful the cover minder is. It's a beautiful purple rose. And cover minder is basically a magnet. Okay, and so basically cover minder is meant for, all the paintings have a plastic cover. So when you peel the plastic cover back, you can put the top of the cover minder on top of the plastic, and this magnet here goes underneath the painting, and so they, well, let me turn it this way, they snap and it holds back the plastic while you diamond paint. This is really pretty. Okay, and it comes with a tray, and it comes with, this is to prevent the drills from spilling. So you put that right there. I don't know if that way or the other way, maybe this way. And then of course it comes with 2 placers, and this is a 4 placer and this is a 7 placer. And basically with the 4 placer, you can actually pick up 4 drills, 4 diamond drills, and you could diamond paint 4 drills at a time. And this one is with 7 drills. Okay, I'm actually working on the 4 and the 1 placer. All right, so let's put all this aside. Now, all the diamond art paintings come in a plastic bag that says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And I always say do what makes you happy. Why not? And the plastic cover is basically to protect the painting while it's traveling. Okay, so let's get this baby out of here. Come on. What I love about the Diamond Art Club canvases is that the canvas is very, very smooth like butter. Okay, and it's designed this way to prevent wrinkling and fraying. And I believe it's made from waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. All right, so let's see. The drills should be here, and the instructions. So here are the instructions. Thank you for your purchase. What's included in the kit, tips and tricks, and step-by-step instructions. Okay, put that aside. And here is the big sticker. And this is what you could either put in your binder afterwards, but this comes in handy because it tells you the name of the painting is Madama Chic by Diamond Art Club. You put in the start date and the end date. And then it comes with pre-cut individual stickers, okay? And these are the stickers that you put on the containers. So I love this. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, and these of course are the drills, and the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. And I love that it says the name of the painting, Madama Chic. So just in case you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. All right, so it's a snack size, so it is going to be a smaller painting. So you can see it looks like it's got wrinkles, but that's fine, guys, because you basically leave it out flat, right? And it will basically flatten out by itself. Okay, just removing these little hairs or little whatever they call. Okay, so then I'm gonna roll it this way because you can with this canvas. Okay, and in the bottom, it always tells you, well, it actually shows you a picture, and then it says Diamond Art Club, Madama Chic, and it's 12.6 inches by 14.6 inches, which is 32 centimeters by 37 centimeters by Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, it tells you take 10 for 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And on the right-hand side, it tells you it has a lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. All right, let's roll this baby. Look at how gorgeous it is. Oh, wow. I've always wanted this painting, but it was always out. So when it finally came in, I grabbed it. Okay, so on the top, it says, Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. They all come with two legends, and one on the left-hand side is always on the top, and the one on the right-hand side is always in the bottom. All right, guys, look at this. When you look this up, it basically says, and I'm just going to read what it says. It says, accessorize with elegance. Madama Chic is styled, wrapped with attitude. She hides her secrets within her soul, and she struts down the red carpet of the world. So let's look at her. First of all, look at the background, guys. Look at the background. It's got pinks and reds. And then she's wearing this gorgeous hat with roses on top. And then she's wearing gloves. It sort of reminds me of Audrey Hepburn. I'm pronouncing her name wrong. Like the women from the old, the movies, those fancy, sophisticated movies, the way they used to dress. And she's wearing these very pretty earrings. She's got red lipstick. I love how detailed this painting is, guys. You can see the wrinkles here when you look at the picture. I mean, it's really, really detailed. Look at the fingers on the gloves, the wrinkles here on the gloves, the wrinkles on her shawl, and then she's got a nice bow in the front. And the skin tones, you could really, really see her collarbone here. Just love it. And then of course she's got another like sash here around here, the hat. And it's very, very clear, very sharp, it has vibrant colors, it's very colorful, it's very sophisticated, just beautiful. Let me bring it up so you can see. Okay. And there goes the roses and the beautiful hat. And then her beautiful face with the red lipstick. And then she's got those big, like big hoop earrings. And then she's got a very nice outfit. And of course, let's not forget that beautiful shawl with a bow in the front. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. So when you look at the legend very quickly, it basically tells you that it's got 26 colors. And then you have the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place the drills. And the color code is the DMC code. So, okay, we're going to put this aside, and we're going to look at the colors. All right, let's begin. Let me just bring this light a little closer, so hopefully you can see the colors better. Okay, 310 is black. I think you can see them there. 312 is baby blue, very dark. 321 is red. 322 is baby blue dark. $3.56 is terracotta medium. $4.98 is red dark. $6.05 is cranberry very light. $6.06 is bright orange red. And $6.66 is red bright. $7.54 is peach light. $7.58 is terracotta very light. $7.75 is baby blue very light. And $7.99 is Delft blue medium. $8.03 is baby blue ultra very dark. $8.23 is navy blue dark. $8.14 is garnet dark. Oh wait, this was here. Okay. $8.91 is carnation dark, and $8.92 is carnation medium. $8.94, oh, I didn't write this one down. $8.94, it's sort of like a light pink. Okay. This one is $9.39 is navy blue very dark. $9.48 is peach very light. Almost finished. $33.25 is baby blue light. $37.55 baby blue. $37.78 is terracotta light. And the last one, $38.30, which is a very pretty color, is terracotta. All right, so you have all the beautiful colors. You have lots of reds, blues, and terracotta. Okay, and some pinks. All right, so let's move those aside. And we have only one AB. Okay, and that's 141, and it's like a white. So let's bring back the painting, and let's look very quickly to see where this AB goes. So by looking at the legend, okay, 141 is symbol 1. So wherever you find symbol 1 in the painting, that's where these ABs go. And AB just basically stands for Aurora Borealis, which means just that it has like an extra coating to make it extra shiny. Okay, so by looking at it, so we have around here some ones. We have ones on the roses, well actually on this rose, and a little bit up here, and over here on the brim of the hat, some over here, and of course you have all her gloves are 1. Well, not all of it, but just some of it, wherever you see number 1. And of course there's lots of ones on her wrap or her shawl. Absolutely gorgeous. That's going to look so pretty. Wow. Would you add more ABs on this, guys? I think I would leave it alone. It's just so beautiful, just so classy. Yeah, I love this painting. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so I hope you guys love this painting as much as I do, and I hope everyone has a wonderful and safe Mother's Day. And that's about it, guys. And thank you very much. And I hope you all guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye. And thank you very much.